What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to upgrade your Eharmony account so you can get more matches and you can you can basically use this platform to its fullest. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So how to upgrade your Eharmony account. So I'm a new user, so I'm having this option over here which says upgrade to premium. So I can easily press it and go to this option over here. But if you're an older member of Eharmony, you will not have this because this is a limited offer. What you need to do is go to the upper right corner, basically to your avatar over here, to your small profile icon, and just press personality and profile, edit profile, data and settings, go to data and settings. Over here, as you can see, there are loads and loads of options. What you need to do is over here on manage profile, where it says my membership, become a premium member now. So as you can see, we are having a premium membership offer over here. We are having premium light, which is 6-month plan, premium plus, which is a 12-month plan, and the premium extra, which is a 24-month plan. As you can see, with premium you can view unlimited photos, unlimited messaging, see who's viewing you, distance search, detailed personality profile, and this is the most popular plan. Currently I'm having it for 50% off. Regularly it's $10 a month, $9.90. So you can select the plan easily. So overall you're having some nice benefits. As you can see, regularly updated matches, profile check, then we are having see who viewed you, distance search, detailed personality profile, filter your matches, view unlimited photos and unlimited messages. So every 14 minutes somebody finds love on Eharmony, the #1 trusted dating site according to 2018 survey, and it has a highest quality of dating pools. So overall guys, this is the way to how to upgrade your Eharmony profile. Hopefully this helped you a bit. So as always guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.